Are you fascinated by the world of online business? Have you ever dreamed of earning money from the comfort of your own home? If so, affiliate marketing might be the perfect opportunity for you. In this comprehensive guide, we'll demystify affiliate marketing and provide you with a roadmap to success. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. Imagine recommending a product you love to a friend and then receiving a percentage of the sale when they make a purchase. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Let's break down the affiliate marketing process into simple steps. Affiliate marketing can seem daunting at first, but by following these steps, you can simplify the process and start earning commissions in no time. First, you choose a product or service you want to promote. This is a crucial step because the product you choose should align with your audience's interests and needs. Take your time to research and select a product that you believe in and that you think will genuinely benefit your audience. Look for products with good reviews and a solid reputation. Next, you sign up for an affiliate program offered by the company selling the product. Many companies offer affiliate programs, and signing up is usually a straightforward process. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your website or platform. Once approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that tracks the sales you generate. Then you share your unique affiliate link through various channels such as your website, blog, social media, or email list. The key here is to integrate the link naturally into your content. You can write blog posts, create videos, or even send out newsletters that highlight the benefits of the product. Make sure to disclose that you are using affiliate links to maintain transparency with your audience. When a potential customer clicks on your affiliate link, and if the customer makes a purchase after clicking your link, the sale is tracked back to you. This tracking is done through cookies, which are small pieces of data stored on the customer's browser. It's important to note that different affiliate programs have different cookie durations, which can affect how long you have to earn a commission after the initial click. Finally, you earn a commission for driving the sale. The commission rate can vary depending on the product and the affiliate program. Some programs offer a flat rate per sale, while others offer a percentage of the sale amount. Over time, as you build trust with your audience and refine your marketing strategies, you can increase your earnings. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. One of the most appealing aspects of affiliate marketing is its low barrier to entry. Unlike starting a traditional business, you don't need to invest in inventory, manufacturing, or shipping. All you need is a platform to promote your affiliate links and a passion for the products or services you're recommending. The power of passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your hobbies. Affiliate marketing has the potential to generate passive income, meaning you can earn money even when you're not actively working. Once you've established your affiliate links and marketing strategies, your content can continue to generate revenue for months or even years to come. Real-world examples: Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Numerous affiliate programs cater to various niches and industries. These programs offer a wide range of products and services that you can promote to your audience, allowing you to earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Whether you're interested in physical products, digital goods, or services, there's likely an affiliate program that aligns with your content and audience. Let's explore two popular examples: Amazon Associates and ClickBank. These platforms are well known in the affiliate marketing world and offer distinct advantages depending on your niche and marketing strategy. Amazon Associates. As one of the largest affiliate programs globally, Amazon Associates allows you to promote millions of products across diverse categories. This program is particularly beneficial for those who run blogs, YouTube channels, or social media accounts that focus on product reviews, unboxings, or tutorials. By integrating Amazon product links into your content, you can provide value to your audience while earning a commission on any purchases they make. From books and electronics to clothing and home goods, you'll find endless opportunities to monetize your content. The The vast selection of products means you can tailor your affiliate marketing efforts to match the interests and needs of your audience. Additionally, Amazon's trusted brand and customer service can help increase conversion rates, making it a reliable choice for many affiliate marketers. ClickBank specializes in digital products and online courses. This platform is ideal for those who are passionate about promoting educational content, software, or digital marketing tools. ClickBank's marketplace features a wide array of high-quality digital products, including ebooks, online courses, and software solutions, which can be highly lucrative for affiliates. If you're passionate about online education, software, or digital marketing, ClickBank offers a vast marketplace of high-quality products to promote. The platform's focus on digital goods means that you can often earn higher commissions compared to physical products. Additionally, digital products can be delivered instantly, providing immediate value to your audience and enhancing their overall experience. By leveraging ClickBank's extensive catalog, you can find products that resonate with your audience and align with your content strategy, ultimately driving more sales and increasing your affiliate income. Choosing your niche. Finding your passion and audience. Selecting the right niche is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Your niche should align with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. Consider your passions, hobbies, and areas where you possess valuable expertise. By focusing on a specific niche, you can establish yourself as an authority and attract a targeted audience interested in your recommendations. Building your platform, where to connect with your audience. To effectively promote your affiliate links, you need a platform to connect with your target audience. This could be a website, blog, social media profile, email list, or a combination of these channels. Choose platforms where your target audience spends their time online and tailor your content to their interests and needs. Content is king. Creating valuable content that converts. Content is the heart of affiliate marketing. By creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content, you can attract, engage, and convert your audience into customers. Focus on providing value to your readers or viewers by offering helpful advice, product reviews, tutorials, comparisons, or case studies. Tracking your success. Measuring what matters. To optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, it's essential to track your progress and measure your results. This means going beyond just looking at the surface numbers and diving deep into the data to understand what is truly driving your success. Utilize analytics tools provided by your affiliate programs and website hosting platform to monitor key metrics such as website traffic, click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings. These tools offer a wealth of information that can help you pinpoint which strategies are working and which ones need adjustment. For instance, website traffic can tell you how many visitors are coming to your site, but it's the click-through rates that reveal how engaging your content is. Conversion rates, on the other hand, show how effective you are at turning visitors into customers. Earnings metrics give you a clear picture of your financial performance. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and refine your strategies for maximum profitability. Regularly reviewing and interpreting this data allows you to make informed decisions, ensuring that your marketing efforts are not just active, but effective. This continuous process of measurement and adjustment is what will ultimately drive your success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Remember, the goal is not just to gather data, but to use it to create actionable insights. This means setting up regular check-ins to review your performance, experimenting with different approaches, and being willing to pivot when something isn't working. The more you understand your data, the better equipped you'll be to make strategic decisions that lead to growth and success. In conclusion, measuring what matters is the cornerstone of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. By focusing on the right metrics and continuously refining your approach, you can achieve sustained growth and profitability. So, start tracking, analyzing, and optimizing today to ensure your affiliate marketing efforts are as effective as possible. Ready to dive in? Subscribe for more. Congratulations! You've now gained a foundational understanding of affiliate marketing, its benefits, and the steps involved in getting started. If you're ready to embark on your journey to online income and unlock the potential of affiliate marketing, subscribe to our newsletter for more in-depth tips, strategies, and resources to help you succeed.